So this question mentions the word mean. So we know that the general definition of the mean is the total, and this is about marks, so the total marks divided by the number of students. So that's going to give us the mean average mark per student, and this question is telling me the mean mark for 25 students in Class A is that. So for Class A, if the mean mark is 67.8, that was found by doing the total divided by 25. So the total mark for that class must be 67.8 times 25. Divided by 25 moves across by timesing. So 67.8 times 25 equals 1,695. So Class A scored a total of 1,695 marks. The mean mark for all the 55 students is 72. So that's basically telling me that 72 is equal to sum total divided by the 55 students. So the total marks for all students is equal to 72 times 55. So 72 times 55 equals 3,960. So Class B must have got 3,960, take away Class A's marks, so 1,695. So 3,960 take away 1,695. So 2,265 marks. Now the question says you want the mean mark for Class B. So we've used that, now we're doing the mean mark. So the mean for Class B is equal to the total marks that Class B got divided by the number of people in Class B. Well, there were 30 students in Class B. So 2,265 divided by 30 equals 75.5. So on average, Class B did better than Class A. So 75.5. Again, it's this idea, isn't it, of recognising that the mean has a definition. The total of whatever the system is you're talking about divided by the number of items that gave you that total. In this case it's about students and marks, so the mean was the total number of marks divided by the number of students, and we can work backwards then to work out totals if we know the mean, and once we know totals we can work out the new mean, and so on. So that's an example of working with the mean average.